Namaste, friends. Today we will do yoga stretching practice. Please sit down in your mat and just focus in your breath for a few counts to feel your body. And when you will feel ready, stand up on your mat and take 2 foot distance between your foot. Place both your hands in your waist and with back straight fall forward completely. With the back and legs straight, grab both your big toes and with exhalation, bring your stomach in, fall forward completely and try to bring your forehead closer to your knees. Here we will stay for 1 minute. With every exhalation, relax your back, your neck and your head more and more. Now gently look straight, make your back straight, and place both your palms under your foot. When you will feel ready while exhalation, bring your stomach in and relax your spine, your neck, and your head completely here. We will stay here for 1 minute. Now gently look straight, place both your hands in your waist and with back straight come up. Take 3 foot distance between your foot. Turn your right foot to the right side 90 degrees, twist upper part of your body to the right side, place both your hands in your mat with the back straight. And if you're ready, you can place your forehead in your knee. And here we will stay for 1 minute. Please keep both your legs straight. If not possible to bring your forehead to your knee, you can keep your back straight and look forward. With every exhalation, relax your muscles more and more and go deeper to stretch. Now gently release, come to the left side, bring your left leg 90 degrees. Keep your back straight, both hands in your mat. You can bend your leg if you want, otherwise keep all legs straight. Bring your forehead to your knee and try to relax here completely. Now gently come to the center, stretch both your hands forward. You can stay here and stretch your legs. Otherwise, if you want to go deeper, you can bend your elbows and stay like this. Or if you want to go deeper, you can place your crown into the mat and stay like this for 1 minute. Now gently come up. From there, join both your legs. And from there, sit on your mat and join your soul. We will go to butterfly. Push your knees as close to your mat as possible. Your back is straight. And flap your legs up and down as a butterfly wings. Now gently place both your hands forward, stretch yourself, keep your back straight. If you want to go deeper, bend both your elbows. If you want to go deeper, place your forehead in your toes. If it's not very comfortable, you can also interlock both your hands and place your forehead between your hands and stay here for 1 minute. Push your knees as close to your mat as possible. Now gently release, and we are going to the pigeon posture. Take your right leg, bend it in the knee, and place your left leg straight back. You will sit between your legs. You should not sit in the right or left side. If it's comfortable, you will bend your right leg 90 degree, otherwise 45 degree. The most important that you will sit between your legs. Now place both your palms in your mat, open your chest, and like this we will sit for 30 seconds. Now gently raise both your palms, open your chest, look up, and now join both your palms in Namaste and stay here for 30 seconds. Now fall forward completely, bring your forehead into your mat and relax for 30 seconds. Gently release your posture, change your legs. Now your left leg will be forward, bend it in 45 degree or 90 degree as per your comfort. Your back leg will be perfectly straight, sit in the middle, place both your palms into your mat, open your chest, look up, and try to relax yourself completely. Now raise both your hands up, join them in Namaste, arch your back, look forward, and with every exhalation, try to open your chest and give a backward bend more and more. Now gently release, place your forehead into the mat and relax yourself completely. Now gently come up, sit in any meditative posture. We will finish our practice. Join your palms in Namaste near your chest. Bend down towards your practice. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.